cooking here. Baker wakes up with the sun, mixes dough, it's so much fun. Bread and cakes and cookies too, yummy treats for me and you. Jobs are fun, come take a look. Not all work is in a book. Big or small, they help each day, smiling bright in every way. Painter with a brush so wide, colors houses side by side. Red and yellow, blue and green, makes the world a brighter scene. Chef in the kitchen, pots go clang, chopping veggies with a bang. Cooking soup and spicy rice, oh that smell, it smells so nice. Firefighters loud and bold, fights the fire brave and cold. Slides down poles and rides red trucks, helps out fast when someone's stuck. Carpenter with wood and nail, builds a chair or sturdy rail. Tables, doors, and shelves so neat, with hammer rhythm and steady beat. Jobs are fun, come take a look. Not all work is in a book. Big or small, they help each day, smiling bright in every way. So many jobs from A to Z. Who do you dream to one day be? Work with heart and do your part. Every job is full of art. 9 little frogs with toes so green. One jumped in with a happy scream into the pond with a great big grin, leaving behind just 8 within. 8 little frogs sang a tune. One leaped off with a froggy swoon, splashing low and diving deep. 7 more frogs still to leap. 7 little frogs on a sunny log. One jumped in with a ribbon jog into the cool blue splashy stream. 6 frogs left to chase their dream. 6 little frogs playing with a bee. One jumped off so happily. Buzz and hop, what fun they had. 5 frogs now and none were sad. 5 little frogs bouncing on the ground. One took a leap with a joyful sound into the water with a flip so fine. Now we're down to only 4 in line. 4 little frogs in the summer sun. One leaped in, joining the fun with a ribbon and a mighty splash. 3 more frogs in a flash. 3 little frogs said, let's jump too. One dove in like a rocket, woo, into the water, cool and clean. Now just 2 frogs can be seen. 2 little frogs on a lily leaf. One jumped in beyond belief. Down to 1 still smiling bright. He'll be gone before the night. 1 little frog looked all around, said, this pond's the best I've found. He leaped in with a joyful cheer. Now all the frogs have disappeared. Our clock's all day so bright, flaps its wings and takes a flight. Colors shine green, red and blue. Jollypop sings along with you. Quokka smiles so big and round, hopping gently on the ground. Cute and cuddly, full of cheer. Jollypop brings Quokkas near. Raccoon sneaks with curious eyes under stars and moonlit skies. With tiny hands and clever fun, Jollypop says, let's run, run, run. Slithering softly on the floor, snake goes hiss and wiggles more. Striped and smiling all the way, Jollypop joins in to play. T is for tiger. Tiger tiptoes through the trees with orange stripes and jungle breeze. Strong and brave, it gives a shout. Jollypop roars and jumps about.
Snowflakes dance on midnight roads, footsteps tap in steady code. Warm breath curls in silver rings, window lights like choir strings. Take my hand, the